we have just loved being on this journey, and I hope we're on it for many, many years to come, like going to be on it till the wheels fall off kind of thing. It's been such a unexpected like blessing for me. I don't know. I
Stop,
was
I'm gonna
not
cry.
well, one, I have gained a friend in you, and I love that. Like, you are such an awesome person, and I just cannot speak enough nice things about Abbey. But two, like, I think it's been the thing that maybe in the last year that has like helped me grow in my career more. I think it's like helped me push away any little last bit of like imposter syndrome that I have from like our previous agency. Because I'm like, well, I talk about this shit all the time on our podcast. So like, I can do this. I can talk to anybody about anything now because I do it. And sometimes I am pulling stuff out of my butt.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
But
I'm the
that's
one
kinda
that's leading the
fun.
charge. Yeah, right? So I think it's really just helped kind of boost my confidence. So, you know, my thought is like, if you are someone that's listening and you're like, oh, I just don't think I have it in me, like, you might be surprised. And yeah, in the beginning, it might not be great. I cannot go back and listen to those first episodes.
I hope it's not
And-
great for people.
Yeah,
Genuinely. Like,
right.
if you're not going back and cringing at your first episodes, you have not grown.
Yeah. But now I can listen and I'm like, oh, okay, I'm taking breaths. I'm letting people finish conversation. Like, I've grown so much. And so I love it for that reason, amongst many others. But overall, this has been just such a treat. And I really do think anybody should strongly, strongly consider starting a podcast.